Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have got something truly special to share with you. Beautiful wooden shelves. Just take a look at these gorgeous pieces. They are not just shelves, they are functional works of art that can enhance any room. These shelves are made from high quality wood which not only make them sturdy but also adds a touch of natural beauty to your space. They are available in various size and style to suit your unique preferences. What is fantastic about these shelves is their versatility. Whether you want to display your favorite books, showcase family photos, or store your beloved collectibles, these wooden shelves are up to the task. The craftsmanship that goes into making these shelves is truly remarkable. Each piece is handcrafted with patience and attention to detail. You can see the love and care put into every shelves. Worried about installation? Don't be. These shelves come with easy to follow instruction and all the hardware you need. Don't you don't have to be a DIY expert to set them up. So if you want to add a touch of elegance and functionality to your space, consider these beautiful wooden shelves. They are perfect for any room, whether it is your living room, bedroom, or even the kitchen. If you are interested in these shelves, we have provided a link in this description below. Check it out and see the different option available. Don't forget to hit that like buttons and subscribe for more great home decor ideas.